Finally, a WordPress plugin that actually does what it promises. Shocking, I know. Before we dive in, click the link in the description below for a special lifetime deal on WP 301 redirects. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So what's all this fuss about? WP 301 redirects is like that friend who quietly fixes your mistakes before anyone notices them. You know, the broken links, the 404 errors, the SEO nightmares that keep you up at night. Gone. This little plugin automatically detects when someone lands on a broken page and redirects them to the right content. No more visitors hitting the back button faster than you can say, "Lost customer." It scans your entire site for dodgy links, manages your affiliate links, and gives you a fancy dashboard to see what's happening. Users are giving it 5 stars, saying things like, "Every WordPress website needs this plugin and it solved a lot of my problems." There is a bit of a learning curve, but once you've got the hang of it, it's dead simple. The auto redirection feature is brilliant. It even catches typos and routes visitors to the right page. And for you agency types, there's white labeling available. Slap your logo on it and look like a proper tech wizard to your clients. Don't faff about with multiple plugins when this one does it all. Click the link in the description for your lifetime deal discount. This is one of those rare WordPress plugins that's actually worth your time and money. Get it while you can. Click the link in the description below to get your lifetime deal discount and special offer. Seriously, go on, treat your website. Thanks for watching. Quick fix, big peace of mind. Cheers.